Hey everyone, hand-waving welcome to Grammar Lesson 1, Parts of Speech, at Jessi English Fluency Grammar Series. These are the building blocks of English. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the 8 types of words that make up every sentence. Sparkles, let's begin. Every English sentence is made up of different kinds of words. Each word has a job, and that job is called its part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Let's go through them one by one. Here they are: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each one plays a unique role in forming sentences. Let's start with the first one, noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, teacher, school, book, or happiness. In the sentence John reads a book in the park, John, book, and park are all nouns. They give names to people, places, and things. A pronoun replaces a noun, so we don't repeat words. For example, instead of saying Lisa is kind, Lisa helps others, we can say Lisa is kind. She helps others. Here, she replaces the noun Lisa. It makes sentences smoother. A verb shows action or state of being. For example, run, jump, is, or are. We say, they run fast. Or she is happy. Verbs tell us what's happening in the sentence. Now, let's compare adjectives and adverbs. An adjective describes a noun. Example, the red apple is sweet. Red describes apple. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example, she sings beautifully. Beautifully tells us how she sings. Remember, adjectives describe things, adverbs describe actions. Next are the last 3. A preposition shows relationship, like in, on, under, or at. For example, the cat is on the table. A conjunction connects words or ideas, like and, but, or because. For example, I like apples and oranges. And an interjection expresses emotion, like wow, oh, hey. For example, wow, that's amazing. These words make your sentences more expressive and connected. Alright, it's quiz time. Match each word to its correct part of speech. I'll read them out, take a few seconds to think. Ready? Let's go. Quickly, book. And she runs beautiful. Pause the video if you need more time. Here are the answers. Quickly, adverb book, noun and, conjunction she, pronoun runs, verb beautiful, adjective. How many did you get right? Great job learning the 8 parts of speech, the foundation of English grammar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for lesson 2, types of nouns. See you in the next video.